welcome all of our Viessmann partners. So we're going to look at the Vitodens 100, B1HA, B1KA to help you locate the serial numbers. To identify the boiler model, you'll look at the boiler rating plate, which you can find on the wall-hung boilers. On the upper left side panel, you can see that this boiler is the B1HA 94. As you can see, this label does not have a serial number or barcode. You'll need to locate the serial number for technical support or inside sales parts help. That serial number can be found underneath, behind the gas piping, right there. Additionally, the serial number can also be located inside the jacket cover. You will need to loosen the two screws in the lower right and left hand corners by the control. Once those are loose and drop down, as you can see, we can remove the cover. And now we look inside the cabinet, and on the left hand side, just above the control panel, you'll see the barcode serial number. And you can see right on the label, boiler serial number. This is the serial number that will be most important for proper help when calling Viessmann technical support or inside sales. Thank you. Have a great day.